Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A14 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, too many incorrect unlock attempts. Try again in 27 seconds. Okay, to do hard reset, first connect your phone to laptop or PC. I'm going to connect it to my laptop. As you can see, so you can see now it is successfully connected. Now press and hold the volume up, down and power key together for few seconds like this. Just press and hold it, and now release. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together for few seconds and release. As you can see, it will send you in Android recovery. As you can see, it will send you in Android recovery. Now the volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So now go to wipe data, factory reset and confirm. And here you can see factory data reset. Wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all data stored on your SD card will also be lost. So now here just tap on confirm. So as you can see, okay, so you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. And when after hard reset, it asks for password, tap on skip and use previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A14 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.